Good morning, students. I hope you all are doing great. Class 3, Subject Social Studies, Lecture number 9. Students, as you all know it, we have completed lesson number 2. So now we are going to start lesson number 3. Maps are our guides. Students, do you know what is map? Map is a flat drawing representation of the Earth's features drawn on a flat surface. Maps use symbols and colors to represent features of an area, simplifying the real world. Students, suppose you are far away from your home and you have lost your way. So how can you get home? If you have map, so you can easily find your way. Maps shows an area, neighborhood, roads and other places. Students, maps also show the large area, means that a country or even the world can be shown on a map. Map is drawn on a flat surface. Students, if you want to find a place but you don't know the direction, so how you can find the place? That's why you need to know about the direction. We have 4 directions: north, east, west and south. These are cardinal directions. Students, see the clock present on your slide. If you see upward, there is number 12, that is north. Downward, there is 6, which shows the direction of south. Similarly, on your right hand, there is number 3, that is east. Same as on your left hand, there is 9, which shows the direction of west. N stands for north, E stands for east, S stands for south and W stands for west. All can use these directions on a map to find a place. Now look at the map. We can see different landmarks on a map. But here one question arising, that what is landmarks? A mark showing the boundary of a piece of land such as neighbor, school, airport and forest. All these places are shown by using symbols. Water is always shown with blue color. On the map we use symbol and keys. Symbols shows the places and things which are present on the earth, and keys explain the symbols. Like that, on the map we use tree. So tree is a symbol, but here we use tree to indicate the forest, and forest is a key. Same as if we use water on the map, so water indicates the water bodies, means rivers and seas. A triangle shape denotes a mountain. So now students, look at the map. If a car is going towards the school, so it will follow the direction of east. Same as students, can you tell me what direction the airport is from the school? So the direction is west. We use direction to indicate the place. So students, remember that with the help of all the direction, we can go easily everywhere. Map use symbols and keys to show an area by using color. Students, do you know a person who makes or designs map? Who are called? A person who makes maps called cartographer. The study of making geographical map called cartography. Students, I hope now you all understand the map and map directions. Students, it's your assignment, so solve it and submit it in school. Students, it's all about today's lecture. I hope everything is clear to you. Thank you. All the best. Take care.